heart of Florida, where the rivers flow, stands a giant legend, a tale we all know, with roots deep in the soil, his history glows. Live oak so mighty where the warm breezes blow, 18 feet in diameter, it's a sight to behold. A canopy of whispers and stories yet untold. Branches stretch out wide like arms reaching high, shelter for the weary under that vast sky. Oh, beneath the old oak, where the shadows dance, the sunlight trickles through, giving dreams a chance. With every gentle rustle, it sings to the breeze. Symphony of nature, bringing hearts to their knees. From the days of the past, when the world was new, to the laughter of children and lovers' rendezvous, this tree has seen it all, the joy and the pain, witness to the seasons through sunshine and rain. Wildflowers blooming at its ancient base, the live oak stands proud, a guardian of grace, a home for the creatures, the birds and the bees. In its arms they find comfort, carried softly by the breeze. Oh, beneath the old oak, where the shadows dance, the moonlight trickles through, giving dreams a chance. With every gentle rustle, it sings to the breeze. Symphony of nature, bringing hearts to their knees. Place for reflection where the world slows down. Underneath it bows in the heart of town, with friends gathered close, sharing stories and laughs. The wisdom of the ages in its timeless past. From dusk until dawn, every moment we share, finding peace in the shade, without a single care. Quilt of life woven, stretched with the years, live oak stands strong through laughter and tears. As seasons keep on changing, leads us on our way, the live oak remains a constant display of resilience and strength in the fabric of time, reminding us softly of the beauty of the climb. So let's gather round its sheltering grace, celebrate this wonder, our sacred place. For in the heart of Florida, by the river so slow, there's magic beneath the branches of the old live oak, you know. So here's to the stories, the love and the dreams, to the laughter of children in soft moonlight beams, a tribute to the grandeur that nature can evoke. Forever in our hearts, the grand live oak.